Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. In the today's session, we are going to discuss about how to get the maximum marks in minimum time for NEET exam, the physics. And for this one, first of all, now let's follow some few important tips which will be useful for you. And first thing is, then start believing yourself. Means you just have to start thinking that then I can do it, I will do it. Like that continuously go on thinking, so that will builds you then very positive attitude. This positive attitude makes you to learn the concept somewhat very easily. And next one, stop doubting yourself. You don't doubting that I will get or not, those all things. Stop negative thinking, because the negative thinking will makes you to get tired easily, and you will not get the concepts very clearly. And the next one, then don't go to study so many books in this short span of time. Stick to any two books only. What are those two books? One book is for theory as well as for numericals. Second book is that is a previous year solving papers, then you have to take, and in the market those are available. And so the different publications are there. And again, one book for physics only, one book I am telling you, that is one book in sense it can be then H.C. Verma sir's book, or Arihan's publications book, or Sharma sir's book. Any one book only, you take any one book only, and for theory as well as for numericals. And again the next you go through that only previous year question papers. And very important thing, and NEET physics is a matter of completely numericals. And so for this numericals you follow this method. First, after just seeing the numerical in the exam, first what you have to do, you should see what is given to you in the numerical, and then what you have to find. Then next you should think about a formula, and afterwards a procedure. This procedure you have to follow. Don't hurriedly, just don't read the question and then how to do these all things. No, just do this strategically you do this one. What is that? Given, find, formula, procedure. This makes you to get a clarity about what is given, what you have to find, what formula you should use, and what is the procedure. Usually you will get those all sums. Okay, no? Right. Now just we have brought some very important topics, and 99%, then you can go through first these all. What you have to do, whatever the topics is given, in the subtopics is given, in the subtopics you go through the formulas, and relevant sums you practice, relevant sums only practice, and you will get maximum benefit of it. And what are those topics in the physics? Now let us see. And here is then heat. In the heat, first law of thermodynamics and thermodynamic process with indicator diagram. The total 5 processes are there, and those 5 processes go through once, and again indicator diagram also go through that. And heat engine, Carnot cycle, and refrigerator. Carnot cycle is the most favorite part of NTA, and so the most expected question from the Carnot cycle. And don't skip any questions from these 3 chapters. Most probably you will get 4 marks. 4 questions, then you can get. And next one is modern physics. The modern physics only follow this one: photoelectric effect, de Broglie equation, Bohr model, hydrogen spectrum. In this one, and Lyman Barman fashion bracket funds are there, and how to switch those all between the series, then you can go through that, because 4 questions you can expect from this one. And electronics and the transistors and logical gates. Transistors and those 2 transistors you can go that, and PNP and NPN transistors and logical gates. These logical gates and very important, very easily you can score. And so total 5 logical gates are there. Those all things just you can go through that. And next one is laws of motion. Laws of motion, very important, and very easily you can understand these laws of motion. Basic 3 laws with daily life events, and force, impulse, motion of connected bodies. The motion of connected bodies are there, and those are spring, block, and what do we call it is lift questions you can go that, and friction also. Only 2 formulas are there, those you can. And see, from the laws of motion basics, from the basics the questions are asking, and most probably you can expect one question from theory. Once the question was asked in the NEET, if a egg is dropped on the concrete floor, it breaks easily, whereas it is falling on the pillow, it won't break easily. Why it is? The question. That is a basic question. That is, what is the reason? That is related with the impulse. impulse. So that question is related to the impulse, and means what is that the questions you can expect from the basics of this lesson, and theory questions also can be asked from this laws of motion. Next, coming to the next part, current electricity. And in this current electricity, you need not to become a master in that current electricity and only learn the circuits right from the basic circuits. A moderate complex circuits you practice, because from circuits one question will come, and afterwards Kirchhoff's law, just Kirchhoff's law you can go through these two laws, and afterwards these instruments are most important. From one instrument you can expect one question, and so total 3 questions you can expect from these all. And last one is gravitation, the easiest chapter. That is, in the gravitation what will be that Newton's laws of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, and gravitational potential, escape velocity, and Kepler's law. Gravitational potential energy, and again you can have to go through once the one graph also based on that one. That graph also you have to go through once. So here now let us see the remaining topics. In the rotational motion, that is the 3 questions will come. Basically center of mass, torque, and angular momentum. The center of mass is a simple formula, you can go with that one. And next one is wave optics. In the Young's double slit experiment, and only go with the fringe width formula. Fringe width formula, you go through that and do the numericals based on that. And afterwards interference, 2 types, constructive and destructive interference, go through the formulas, and again polarization of light, and go through formula about this one, and theory also just go through once here about polarization of light. And sound waves, there are organ pipes are there, closed and opened organ pipes, go through once. And Doppler's effect, the numericals also solve on the Doppler's effect. And there are some tricks are there to follow this Doppler effect, just go through those tricks so you can save the time. And electromagnetic waves, only you see the properties of electromagnetic waves, and Maxwell's all equations are there. Maxwell equations are there, those all you go through once. And next AC current, only these 2, transformer, growth and decay current, based on the numericals, formulas based on these formulas you go through once. And afterwards communication system, only ground, space and skyway communication, take an analogy of those 3 and just go through the relevant applications based on that. Units and measurement, the most simplest one, easily you will get 1 mark, that is from the dimension formula and error percentage. Those 2 only, just you can go through that one. And for this dimension formula, just you can go through that. NCERT book is there, at the end of the every chapter NCERT book, at the end of that lesson dimension formulas are given. So all together then you can go through those dimension formulas, 100% from that only the dimension formula will come. Every lesson is there at the end of that lesson, and the summary is there at the summary, and dimension formulas and formulas are given, and you go through that dimension formula, those only will come. And mechanical properties of solids, only the Young's modulus it is asking. So then you go through once what is the Young's modulus, just once after completed you can go through that bulk modulus also, and but this is the most important one. And in the work energy power, it's simple topic, that is very simple chapter. And here is then you need a little bit integration, this process integration of numericals, you have to go through that one once, so you will easily understand how to do these formulas based on work, energy as well as power. All formulas, different formulas are there, those all formulas, each formula just go through that and solve the numericals associated with that. And afterwards work energy theorem, one of the very important one. Okay, right? And these are the chapters, the most important chapters. Go through these all chapters and take the chapter and go through those formulas, and first of all have good knowledge about the formulas, and repeatedly practice 4 or 5 times the formula, and afterwards go through the previous year questions from that chapter, from the topic formulae, and next previous year solved question papers. Solved question papers only you go through that. You don't solve any new numericals, you will get like, it takes lot of time. And so this is the procedure what you have to do. Again last I am telling you, see that before also I said that. And for solving any numerical, just you follow one sequence. What is that sequence? Is given, find, formula and procedure. So you will get a clarity what is given, how to do the numerical, how to solve the numericals. I hope that this session is very helpful for you, and wish you all the very best, and please support me Nana, and once again wish you all the success.